I come and visit Dad every third day during the week, and I have been doing it since I came back and moved back to New Zealand in 2022. One year I went back to Perth for about 4 months, 4.5, and then last year to this year I went back for 2.5 months, nearly 2.5 months I think anyway. So I just wanted to do a recording of my dad, how amazing he is, and every time I come and see him, he's just tired. He just likes to lie down after he eats. Just a few photos of the family up here. His mom and everyone else. There's pictures of Mum and Dad every time I look up there. Just imagine their life together, and this is their grandchildren now. And it's kind of sad because I know that we all end up going the same way. We get old. But my dad he's 98 next month on the 1st of May. He's an amazing man. There's some photos of my dad up here. Right at the very back when he used to run marathons. And just one I think was when he turned 90, and the one up the top there is of Mum and Dad's wedding. And I can just imagine sometimes when I sit here and think about his life and Mum's life, my life growing up as well with them, Mum and Dad. There was, in this photo, Sarah isn't born, Rena's the baby, and Missy and Maureen have left home. And there's a picture of my brother Missy. Beautiful photo of my brother Missy. And my sister Maureen crocheted that frame around it. But anyway, it's the life, I guess, I just like to come here. Sometimes I stay here for about 5 or 6 hours. I get here at lunchtime. I leave after his dinner. But I know today I don't even think he's going to eat that much. I can tell when he hasn't been up at all. But anyway, it's just, for me, it's just a peaceful time to be sitting here with him, even though he's asleep and doesn't talk. I can imagine the times when growing up, my dad, Mum, taking us places, looking after us, back in Niue and here. That's one of Mum's pieces that it's funny, but Dad always asked her, Mum, why don't you give me one of your lilies so I can hang it in my room? That was when they were living in Electra. That was one of the ones that Mum gave to Dad. It's beautiful. When she was still well, she could do that. And Mum was actually weaving maybe a couple of months before she passed. He's awake. Now go back to sleep. He doesn't like to be disturbed when he's tired. So that's me and Dad today. Today is Saturday, the 11th of April, and my brother should be celebrating his birthday today with putting Omu down. A lot of people coming over. That's over in Perth, Boddington. Hey! Yeah, so I love my dad. Having run 29 marathons, bringing us up, 13 children in total. One passed away in Niue. I believe it was 1964. She was only 6, turning 7. Her name was Maple. Yeah, that's all Dad does now. He just likes to sleep and rest. Okay, this is us for today.